Hey guys, Putchki here, and today we're gonna be ranking now support towers. I mean, military. Primary is the second biggest, military is the biggest. So we have to start off with Sniper Top Path, and let's be real, this is crazy. This thing's insane. This thing's a beast. Like, watch this. I only have a radar scanner village just so I can see camo. It's a beast. It got great bad damage. It has great Moab damage. Always said it's strong. Just because. Also, it's great at stunning. This will be hard between the snipers if they do everything you want them to do. This guy can do great damage, and yeah. So as we can see, it kinda kills the bad. You need like a bit more damage and you're good. It almost completely pops the bad layer. It does 23,000. Let's see it against the mob. Okay, we don't need this, and we can just reset pop counts. And then I'll just 1, 2, 3. 6 shots to completely destroy a Moab. That's insane, okay? That's straight up insane. Now, Elite Defender. I mean, Elite Sniper, Elite Defender's later. So, Elite Defender is mostly good at packed ceramics. So, let's send out like 50. Always set it on first. I would not understand why Elite targeting. I'm gonna try one more time with first instead. See, it's good at ceramics, but there's no ceramic rush that's this big unless it comes out in Moabs. So let's give it like around like 78. I actually went the wrong cross path. It's better to go bottom path. But let's play 78. So let's see how it deals with the ceramics. This is the largest ceramic rush you'll see in the game. I'm gonna be real, it's not as good as Glazeford. Like, sometimes you want bottom path because it's just so fast. But I feel like in this situation, why in the world? I forgot to set to first. I do not understand who would actually want Elite Target. Also has an ability that makes money. So you can do like solo 78. Before it was just on Elite. And also it makes money, so yeah. Elite Defender. It's actually better to go secondary middle. Oh, for some reason. Now this is one of the towers that specializes in nothing really. Like, it's not great with anything really. If we just send like a few ceramics, it's like okay with them. Send out a Moab, it kills it. Then we send out like a bad. Let's see the damage. Oh wait. Reset pop count, delete balloons. Reset pop count, balloon. Okay, so let's just see how much damage it can do. It's not gonna be much. It's gonna be like 2 damage each. Like single target damage is better with top path, but like better with bottom path for like more damage. Okay, so like this tower isn't great with anything. Like, I prefer these two, but it's like super cheap. Like, if you look, full rifle is way cheaper than supply drop, and I'm on easy, by the way. Semi-automatic is cheaper than and bounty, but like even faster firing actually costs less than shrapnel, and fast firing is the only thing that costs more than the same tier, which is night vision. So overall, Elite Defender is a cheaper tower, even though their tier 5 grades are the same. Honestly, I'm going to take Cripple Moab for the sniper, just because. Now boat and sub. Now, what am I going to do about boat and sub? Well, I'm going to go to home page. Go here. No, not here. Where would I go? Oh yeah, play social. Edit challenge. Edit. Change map. Town center. Easy standard. Start round 100 and round 100. All monkeys add. Delete, 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 delete. Delete, 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 delete. This is how we're gonna do it, okay? You'll just have to trust me with my words. We're not actually gonna start any rounds. I just set it to 100. So if you look at Energizer, we need to start with top path for a sub. So we start with Energizer. Look, Energizer is great for a lot. Has like great synergy with like Preemptive Strike. Like because, oh right, I can't sell. It has great synergy with Preemptive Strike because look, it has the ability of Water Monkey abilities. So it works really well with also like Pirate Lord and whatnot. But also it's just really good cleanup. I can't show you because, you know, I'm on the challenge editor. But just trust me, it's really good for cleanup. And then there's this thing which, there's Preemptive Strike that kinda is the killer. Kinda just destroys. And then if we give it like this thing, then the cooldown is hard. Now I'm gonna do the cool timing if I need to. It destroyed everything except the DMGs. This thing can solo a bad. And the thing before it, First Strike, it can also solo a bad. See? Look. I'm solo a bad. Edit challenge. We're gonna change it by like 1%, by something else. Selling. That's gonna be helpful. Okay. And now bottom path sub. So bottom path sub is really good with other bottom path subs. It's one of the most popular like strats in the game. It's like one of the funny things about it is just like there's like a single dart monkey that has KO detection and just like, guys, now! And then they all just go after it. It's super cool. It's sun meme. But yeah, it's bottom path. Okay, that's bottom path sub. If I had to choose the best, it would probably be bottom path. Yes, Preemptive can solo a bad, but this can just create an army which can destroy everything. So yeah, Sub Commander. Okay, so Sub Commander, and let's start with the Carrier Flagship. This has global damage, it attacks really fast, and if you do it with Hot Shot, great, it's amazing thing. So, and also it has good damage, and yeah. But Pirate Lord, it has 3 grappling hooks. You can get extra cash from Moab. It can take in DDTs without the camo. You can also give it double shot with, you know, the 3 cannons to make it insane. It's OP. And also, last but not least, I'm going through these really fast because I don't want to be in the challenge editor anymore. Trade Empire. So with Trade Empire, it makes money. What more do you want? It makes money. What more do you want? Oh, wait, what for Buck? What am I thinking for Buck right now? Oh, it's middle path for Buck. So, top path for Sniper, bottom path for Sub, middle for Buck. We've done all the paths. Now I can go back here with the Ace Monkey, with Sky Shredder, Flying Fortress, and Zarbomba. I do not have the Paragon yet, that's too much XP. Let's start with Sky Shredder. This thing is insane. We need like a Monkey Intelligence Bureau. But if you look, we could do something like a bad. And I remember I practiced something on Lost Island. If you look, then it's destroying the bad. It has great bad damage. Look, the only thing that you need for this is a Monkey Intelligence Bureau. That doesn't even cost that much. Oh my god, it has 57,000 pops. It did better than Cripple Mob, and all I did was micro. That's it. Okay, yeah, Sky Shredder is great. And then Zarbomba. A lot of the aces aren't really great against ceramics. This is probably the best ceramic popper, only because of the ability. And if you look, it does have a Pierce cap. Okay, so if we restart it, get this, get rapid fire, get we actually don't need anything. We don't need anything. We send out. Oh dang, I can't send out 1,000. Okay, so I need to press this how many times? 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I can't tell. See, look, Zarbomba just clears the screen. And also it has a Pierce cap of 5,000. Which is insane, and you'll never see that many balloons on screen. This is probably the best ceramic popper, but the others also do like an okay job at ceramics. This one's probably the best, but it doesn't really matter. You'll probably already have other towers. So yeah, Zarbomba's like okay. And now we have my favorite, but I never use it because it costs way too much. Flying Fortress. This thing's a beast. I only need this. And I accidentally sent out 100 bags. Let's see how it deals with them. Quite well, I must say. For something that all I did was give it center path on the village, or the center of the map. Nah, it's doing great. The only thing I'm getting is radar scanner. Could you imagine if there was like a top path village for just military monkeys, like the equivalent? That'd be insane. This thing is insane. Look at how insane this thing is. It's getting millions of pops. It's pandoing these bads like it's nothing. I sent out 100 bads and it's taken down like 50 of them with 0 leaks. The leaks that I'm getting is because I sent out 100 bads, and that's just insane. In that one, I used so many bads I lost all. I got almost 5 million. I think I'm going with Flying Fortress for Ace. Like, come on. Now we have Helipilot. Now we're starting with my fave, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna send an Apache Prime against a single bad. Now this is horrible against ceramics and DDTs. This thing is bad against those. But against everything else, yeah. It has Plasma Blast, it has Laser Blast, it has great damage, and it has missile launchers. Also has Razor Rotors, which is more damage. It's just straight up more damage, Razor Rotors. See, look, it can take down a bad, it can take action. The only buff I gave it was Camo. Camo, and it could take down a bad. Now that's amazing. Only Camo. Now against Ceramics, no. Okay, so Special Poperations. So if we just use like the ability, and then we send out like a Moab, like a bad, this Marine gets lots of damage actually. You also get 100% uptime. These Marines in the later rounds get you lots more money than they're getting now. They get lots more pops. They get like 60 to like 70k pops for each one. And while it doesn't count for the special populations, also it has downdraft, which can, it's doing well against the bad, but not as well as the Apache Prime. And I'm guessing it'll do even worse on the Ceramics. Also, it has an ability that makes money. It has 4 abilities. One looks suspiciously similar to the Elite Defender. Oh my god. The Marine is the Elite Defender thing. The Elite... Oh my god. The Marine... Right now, Marines are getting nothing. This thing is just... It's like good with the abilities. Also has Door Gunner, which is really useful, but I just don't like it that much. Comanche Commander. I've literally never seen anyone use this. I'm not even joking. Whenever I'm playing with my friends, and by friends I mean friend, all the heli pilots are mostly good at like bad damage, or just damage in general. Comanche Commander has like so many, but it's like already doing worse than Special Populations. Look at all those darts. Actually, you know what? Actually, they're doing a better job. They're doing way better. Or they're actually gonna take it down. They're actually gonna take it down. Wow. It's still not as good as the Apache Prime, because if you look, even though it costs less, it just isn't as good late game. It's good against bads, but only because of the other things. I'm thinking top path for the heli. You will leave your opinions in the comments, and Mortar. Comment below if you think I should have skipped Mortar. Okay, biggest one. I'm getting so much of the feeling that I should just skip it. The biggest one is a literal nuke, and it's doing horribly, even with Bernie stuff, which I'm switching the targeting so that I'm taking the bad. This is if this was like your only real bad damage and everything else was just super bad. This is what you would do. And I know you would. Except you wouldn't, because you never do this. You only use a mortar. It's so bad. I'm wondering if Balloon's Iteration or Poppin' Awe is better. This thing sucks. This thing's horrible. It's not getting in. popping off. There's also an ability to stun things, so there's also that. And also, it's actually doing worse. It's doing so much worse, and it has a stunning ability. It's attacking so much faster, except it's doing so much worse. You really have to constantly move it, because the bad seems to be moving so fast. I have to hit right on the bad. If none of them can take down the bad, I'm gonna skip it. Because all the other ones that win and at least do a good job against the bad, these things just suck. They don't even break it down. This was horrible. That was even worse. I'm hoping Balloon Incineration could at least do the best. I actually don't need to change the target. This is gonna be horrible. Actually, it's doing okay. It has a few thousand. Sorry, better than Poppin' Aw. It's way better than Poppin' Aw. It's way better than everything so far, and I even missed the targeting and it's still going. And also that's Shattering Shells, which gets 0 fortifications. I'm ready for a DDT. Look at this. It's actually taking it down. Okay, yeah, Balloon Incineration is going next. I'm not canceling it. Now, it's time for the best one. Dartling Gunner. And no way I'm keeping it unlocked. If you look, it's doing way better. This is just Ray of Doom. It costs way too much, but I like it. And thankfully, other people like it too. And I have Mad. Very controversial. I get Laser Shock. Not actually very controversial. It's just that most people don't get it. Because money. But I get it because stun equals good. Oh, and also the ability. It gives a lot of stun. Also, it's horrible against balloons, so make sure you have some cleanup. And now for the final one, which is definitely not making it, and I should really put in the center, this guy. Target independent. That's like the unique part about this guy. It's like he's like the worst part. He's like the worst path because he can't even pop lead. Like, come on. I'm just gonna give it a village so that I can pop lead. Camo lead. It's okay, but compared to the rest, it's just bad. Like, look, the others take like here to pop it, and it takes like here, so like it's way worse. I think I'll go with Ray of Doom. Guess that was the video. That was interesting. Well, Butchie out.